Hi, hello, good morning. So in this video, we're going to be discussing the advertisement topic with the TT framework. So let us get into the video. The first slide will be for your reference, Introduction to Design Thinking. We already discussed saying that design thinking, what is the design thinking, how it will be approached by the education sectors in class lecturers and industries, how it will be, how they're going to see this design thinking concept, how they are taking up into the inside the organizations use the to problem solver, like approach in any new way to solving the problems. So these kind of things we'll discuss it with real problems in this video. So first thing is introduction to design thinking. So design thinking is like already we discussed so many videos. It's like a human-centered approach because so what we have realistic problems in around us, it's like so we just approaching the things in different mindset, different thoughts, which is in uniqueness, like the human centered approach. The design thinking used to find out the user's pain points, like that's based upon the design thinking concept will work out finally. So it's the human centered approach is going to be applying in innovation and problem solving that with emphasis used empathy. Empathy in the sense analyzing the problems. So how it will be occurred, where it will be occurred, who is the reason behind of it. So the where like the based upon we just work for it. The second point is it was popularized by the design consultancy IDEO. So and it has been widely adapted and gained lot of experience and also used by design thinking concept across the national level, used to making the proper plan and proper executions, like giving lot of solution through realistic to the realistic problems through design thinking approaches. And then the process, like the understanding the needs, the motivation of the users, because based on they are based on the your pain points. We should making the sense to how it will be resolving at the end of the year, end of the month, so another period. So we just motivating them to resolving the problem, then define the problem statement, the solutions, then prototyping the solution and the testing and evaluate, and finally the marketing. So the product or a service finally will get into the market. The unlike, like the traditional linear problems, the solving methods and models which is different by the industries wise. So refine it and adapting by the industries. Next slide. What are the key stages in design thinking? The first one is empathize. Second one is define. Third one is ideate. Fourth one is a prototype. And fifth one is test. We already know empathize means what we just go through the market research, go and ask, approaching customers via interviews or face-to-face interactions, like so taking a survey through online. So many platforms available for to empathizing the problem. So define is a synthesize like the data to define the sense what we have collected from customers. Just we go to go through and categorize the data for like a age, gender, location based, the income based, the industries based, and taste and preference based going to be define the data clearly and articulate with core problem. Then ideate the brainstorm sessions, the sitting with the teams. So these are problems, what we are going to make it out very clearly. So what is the plan, the what is the execution of to resolve the problem. So what we have source now. So how it will be approached. So these kind of things we discuss by the team to giving the solution to the problem. The prototype is the finally the based prototype with the based on the solutions. Make it out very clearly the is a product or as a service. So how they are going to make it out the prototype models, and finally test and to launch in the market. Relevance of decision thinking in advertising, how it will relate to the advice, the user-centered campaigns, then creative problem solving, then iterative testing, the cross-disciplinary collaborations, adaptation to change, storytelling. Because in this era, the people were like, seeing the concept or seeing the like ideas, like storytelling format, and also the presenter or industry person, uh, then finding out problems, which is easy mode of through social medias, that's also helping them to finalize and resolve it. Then also the cross-disciplinary collaborations, because in the partnerships very different, and also giving the ideas, strategies, the analysis point is different. The opinion to be shared through online medias, then sharing ideas, knowledge. So the relevance of these things, which is helping to the advertising agencies. So design thinking to solve a racing challenge is going to be like, I would like to taking examples of Nike by you. This is a campaign tagline. So they used in the traditional advertising strategies to reach the customers. So that when they have followed the traditional method, they only getting the low level of engagement customers. This is the point they have faced at the time. Next thing is application of design thinking. So what kind of application, what kind of thing should suited for the problem is empathize. We just empathizing the statement of them, like the focus on and the understanding and customer preference, what they have preferred, based on the demand and the products. Like we should empathize. Then define related to the things. We should create a user friendly campaign to friendly discuss with what's the problems, where they will missed out, these things will discuss in the platform. Then ideating, prototype, test, which is going to be developed in the plan, then models, features, taglines, and then user in the group or feedback is collected from the areas, and also resolving the problem for night. Thank you so much for listening my video. Thank you.